Hello everyone, this is an unboxing for the Apple AirPods. This is the newest model. Just got it from the Apple Store today. This is June 6, 2019. This is the AirPods 2, version 2. I don't have any experience with the AirPods at all. I have never used them, never owned them, never used them, never even borrowed them. So this is going to be my first experience, and I am going to open the packaging and go through every single item that is in there, and I will try to also pair it with my phone, which is an iPhone 8 Plus, and see if that's an easy process or not. That people say that it is, and I haven't actually watched any video to see how easy of a process that is. So let's just see how easy it is for a typical person that's pretty well versed in technology, to see how long does it take for me to go ahead and do that. Okay, so the box is a typical, very nice, sturdy box, as you would expect from Apple. Always the best presentation, right? Okay, designed by Apple in California. As you know, you've seen that a lot. So that's what first shows. And there's it looks like some manuals, how to, I guess, connect it, turn on Bluetooth, connect AirPods just by opening the case, I think. Start listening, that's the third step, and that's it. Okay, so let's put that right here. So hopefully that's the instruction that we're gonna follow soon. I don't know what this is. Safety and handling. I never understand really why all these crazy stuff are needed. I guess there are some people that maybe swallow these and choke on them or something. Crazy stuff. Or maybe radiation, or maybe it exploded in the ear, who knows. By the way, sorry, this is the 1 year limited warranty. So you have 1 year warranty for this particular AirPods. And that's it. That's inside this little folder kind of thing. So here is the AirPod. Is inside some kind of sticker or vinyl-like sticker, and looks like it's covering the cover. So I think this is the way to open it. Yeah, so I just peeled it off, and let's see if this is the right way. I guess it is. Okay, so I'll put that aside first and see if there's anything else in the box. Oh, look at that. What if a person just did not pull that out and didn't even know that there's cable inside? That's pretty ridiculous. Well, as you guys know, Apple style, everything is slick, non-visible, minimalist, whatever you guys want to call it. I guess that's part of it, part of the magic. There is no indication of what's supposed to all come with the package. So if you didn't pay attention, you probably would not have known. Let me see. So the back side of this instruction gives you more information about connecting to other device, controlling the AirPods, checking the charge status, and how to charge it. Well, I guess some people may assume and start looking for the cable. I'm trying to look for the list of things that is included, which is usually quite typical when you buy an item like this. But again, since Apple is such a minimalistic company, I guess they figured they don't need that. So there are these three documentations or pamphlets which are included, and I'm gonna put them right here because I don't need them. And this is the charging. I don't think I need them right now, so I'm just gonna put it aside also, and put this aside. All right, so Next, we are going to try to use this. So let's see, right now the video is at 5 minutes or so before it's edited. And I'm gonna see, once I have this in my hand, how long does it take me to figure this out. Okay, so there's some kind of button here in the middle. I mean at the bottom here. I'm not gonna press it, I don't know what that's for. And it says again here, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. And there's this nice metallic thing here. I don't know if that's pressable or what. Okay, I think this is not, I think this is the back side of it because there's a notch here. So I'm gonna try to open it there. Aha. All right, so I'm going to put this down. Whoops, I guess that closed by itself. All right, so I see this immediately on my phone. Let me bring my phone over. Whoops, sorry. Okay, it was on a stand and I just dropped it. All right, so my phone, which was about 12 inches away, immediately showed this once I opened it. Which is quite interesting because I guess it detected the AirPods that is nearby. And I guess I'll just click on connect. So this is the amazing thing about the Apple product. This would probably never happen for an Android device because there are just too many devices out there and they don't marry to each other so well. Okay, sorry, that was the camera app that I was using. So, what happened here? Am I connected? Yeah, nothing really happened, so I'm guessing that I'm connected. So let's see. Can I play some music? No. Hang on. So that did not work well. Let me bring that back. So let me see. Where's that thing at? The connection thing. All right. Okay, so every time you open it, it comes up with this particular interface here. And I guess I didn't have a chance to connect yet before it failed. And now it says, looks like it's connected. The headset have 71% battery and the case have 76% battery. I guess that's what it is. Now it's 72% battery. Wow, looks like it's increasing by itself by 1%. That's good. Okay, let's press done. All right. What else is supposed to be here? Okay, I think that's done. So how do I know these are connected? Is there any indication here? Nope. Is there any indication here? Nope. Okay, well, I guess there's one way to find out. Is let's try to play some music. So if I play some music, a while ago it was connecting to, that did not work. That's still playing on my phone speaker. Okay, so let me put one. I put one in my ear on one of the I put one of the AirPods in my ear and it's actually playing right away. So it was probably connected already. I just didn't put it in the ear. So it knows when I put it in the ear when I don't. Wow. And I have it in my right ear right now. Interesting. So let me take it out again. Okay. Alright, so it's clever. It knows when it's in the ear and when it's not. Okay. Awesome. How about on this side? Does it know if I have it on this ear? Yes, it does. It works. I think it takes a while for it to sync also, maybe about 5 seconds to 10 seconds, but eventually it did. And I can adjust the sound from here. Wow, okay, very nice. Let me try both one. Okay, now they both work. Pretty good. Okay. Let me put them here. This is the left and this is the right, so those are correct. Okay, well, that was pretty easy. So they were right about how easy it is for the AirPods to be connected to the phone. That was completely seamless. In fact, I thought it was too easy. I was actually trying to do more and was messing up the process. Okay, well, let's finish going through this little I guess charging case. So you have the lightning adapter here at the bottom, and there's some kind of button here. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to press it and see what happened. I just pressed it once. Nothing really happens. Anything happen? Nope. Open. Press it again while it's open. Nothing happens. Okay, well, I don't know what that's supposed to be, that button's supposed to be for, but it doesn't do anything. So as of now, my AirPods are already connected to my phone and everything is working. I just don't know how to use it. And some people are talking about how wonderful the hinge is between the AirPod 1 and AirPod 2. I see a very nice stainless steel looking like chrome hinge. I guess that's a big deal, I guess. Anyhow, looks good, works good. It sounds good so far, but like I said again, I'm going to be doing a lot of reviews or a lot of call and particularly paying attention at the quality of the phone call, whether the other person that I'm talking to can actually hear what I'm saying. Most of the time that's a problem with most headset that is not wired that I have tried in the past, is that people cannot hear me on the other side. They think that I'm underwater. They think that I am putting them on speakerphone and standing 20 feet away, whatever. It just doesn't work. I always end up going back to a wired Apple headset. And the reason why I keep going back to an Apple headset is because of this shape. This shape works best for me. At least this is the shape that I like, because it's very comfortable for me to have this in my ear for hours. All right, anyway, this is not a review video. This is an unboxing. I've talked too much already. I apologize. So far everything is great. Thanks for watching this unboxing video. And if you like this video, please give it a like, vote, a thumbs up basically. And I'm going to be making other videos with this particular AirPods, mainly for phone calls. And please subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when I make those videos. And thank you for watching. Have a good one.